What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So after the wait of almost 3 years, the OnePlus is coming back with its second generation watch, with it's the OnePlus Watch 2. Now this smartwatch will be available in two colors, which is the black steel and the white steel or the silver steel. Now the Galaxy Watch was indeed right now the major flagship smartwatch in the Android department, but seems like the OnePlus does want some share from it as well. Now the OnePlus Watch 2 will be available with the Wear OS 4 out of the box, and it will be coming with the Snapdragon processor W5. Now one thing where the Samsung Galaxy Watch lags is about its battery, and the Galaxy Watch was coming with a day's battery life, but the Watch 2 OnePlus will be coming with the 100 hours of battery life. It's indeed coming with a circular dial, and it does also have a chunky bezels as you can see. But not only that, a 1.43 inch of AMOLED display will be present in the watch. Now the peak brightness of this watch is said to be at 600 nits, and it also be available with the 100 plus sports mode, which is now kinda bare minimum in the smartwatch. Now if we talk about the phone's covering, then it will be indeed covered by the sapphire crystal build and a stainless steel as its body. Now the OnePlus Watch 2 will also be coming with a dual frequency GPS and IP68 water and dust resistance, and it will also support Bluetooth calling as well. Right now it's not confirmed whether it will be coming with the LTE variant or not. That's still a thing to see and wait. Now if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.